What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, gang? Another beautiful Thursday, another day to start a business, another day that we're alive. So thank God for that, and thank God for opportunity, guys. Shout out to everybody that's hit that subscribe button. Shout out to everybody that's hit the notification button. If you've watched the video, if you are interested in making money online, this is the type of video that you want to watch. If you're not, I definitely encourage you to click off this video and go about whatever it is that you're doing with your day. But what I wanted to talk about today, guys, is that people have been actually getting with me and they've been wanting to say, Jay, what's the easiest way, that I can make something duplicatable for my team? And this is for any business. So you don't necessarily have to be in any of my instant commission business or any of my residual income businesses or anything like that. If you're in health, wealth, it doesn't matter exactly what you're in. The easiest way that you can duplicate something is get a marketing system. I'm going to recommend TCP. Once you get the marketing system, you want to build a sales funnel around your company. We have templates that you can use to start you off if you really not good at design and you just want to kind of get going or something. We do have templates that you can use. So what I would do is build templates, and then what I would do is go in the back office and I would purchase leads. These leads have already been screened pretty much. There's interview leads and there's actual leads where people that filled out a form stating that they're interested in making money online. The only thing that you need to do is reach out to them. So pretty much when you reach out to them, then what you want to do is pretty much explain who you are, the opportunity that you have. If you have a feeder program, which something is free, free to better, you want to look into stuff like that. But that's going to be the most duplicatable thing. So as soon as someone comes in, you want to give them your marketing system codes, so that way they can copy the codes. And then you want to give them something they can do right away, because not everyone wants to be on Facebook. Not everyone wants to shoot videos. You guys know that I'm really big on videos, but not everyone wants to shoot videos. I say that's the easiest way that people let their guards down, the easiest way to build a relationship with someone, the easiest way to turn cold leads hot is videos. But some people just don't want to be on video, and they rather, blog and write and just keep writing and just do stuff like that. So email may not be your cup of tea, but you might want to just reach out to them and call them and introduce yourself. If you do have Facebook, hey, this is my Facebook. Here's my website. Definitely we can follow up. Do things like that, and we teach you how to do that in that system as well. So I would recommend putting someone in something that the owner of the system is also going to do your job, where he's pretty much showing you marketing training as well. So that's what I'm going to say. The most duplicatable thing would be signing up for TCP, setting up your marketing system. Once you set up your marketing system, you want to go in back office and purchase leads. Reach out to those leads. Ask them. What I used to say when I used to call them was, hey, this is Jay. I received your information regarding making money online. I was just, reaching out to you. Were you still interested, or just kicking around the idea? So then, most of the time when they say, hey, what do you got? You can go through and explain to them what you're exactly doing. You can send them a video breaking things down where it's introducing you, where you're branding yourself. That's how you're going to make the big bucks. Okay? So that's how you're going to make the big bucks. And we're going to teach you how to do that. And you're going to learn, and what I would suggest, once you learn how to do it, you teach your team members how to do it. Because yes, we have training. Yes, you have Dave that's teaching you everything. But also, show your people exactly what's going on. Or tell them how they can go and do something as well, and that you're implementing yourself. So guys, you see me purchase leads with TCP. You see me show my back office. You see me show my pay. I get paid every week with them. So the system that I use, guys, is something that I truly recommend. I love dear at heart. I've never stopped using it, regardless of whoever I use, as far as autoresponders, other marketing systems. I always, promote TCP because it's a great home. The training, the support groups, the Facebook group, the community, it's awesome. So I definitely recommend it. If you're interested in making a residual income, guys, then that's it. That link's going to be right at the bottom there, and it's also tied to an instant commission income stream as well. I built the sales funnel pretty much for 2 income streams in one: residual and instant commissions, anywhere between 25 all the way up to 2K instant commissions, and residual income, multiple $25 payments, guys, paid out every Friday. All right, and if you're interested in that, click the link at the bottom. I look forward to working with you guys. I'm gonna wrap this video on up, so definitely click all the information that you want, get all the information that you need Reach out to me. Let me know if you have questions, and I look forward to building with you. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed Thursday, and I hope you guys are taking advantage of the challenge and shooting videos as well, just like me. I'm out. Peace.